Raider MX goggles. Dragon Alliance Red/Black split. TMS White. TMS White. Smith Optics Fuel V. Dragon Alliance Coal Polarized. Oakley Crowbar 1 Icon. TMS AS20-R Red. TMS Motocross ATV/dirtbike goggles features sculpted styling with exceptional fit and peripheral vision wide comfort bands. Fits goggle grip on helmets, holds goggles securely in place, adjustable strap to accommodate any helmet. TMS 2718P Pink. TMS 2718B Blue. TMS 2718K Black. Thor Enemy Green. Fox Racing Main Undertow. TMS AS20-K Black. Dragon Alliance Gold Icon. MSR Motocross Offroad Dirt Goggles. Thor Sand Enemy. Thor White Enemy. Oakley Mayhem. Thor Enemy Web. Oakley Matte Black E-Frame. Oakley Airbrake. The Oakley Airbrake exoskeleton chassis construction combines rigid O-matter exterior with a pliable thermoplastic urethane faceplate that conforms to your face comfortably. Oakley O-frame with clear lens. Thor Enemy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.